Hi guys, in this video I want to explain to you some of the trading setups of the day trading that I trade with. So I hope my explanation is useful for you. Well, we are now at 86% of the previous leg, and in the 86% zone we have a flag. So we enter into the trade when we see the flag. My target point in this trade is above the flag. Well, let's go to the next trade. Here we have a low volume spike again at 86% of the previous leg. So let's go get it. So my target point for this trade is 86% of previous drop leg. Well, again here we have the flag at 86%, so let's go get it. And finally we come to the end of the story. Here we also form the second hook, and after two hooks we have a rally.